Namaskar. Wishing you happy Lodi, Sankranti and the New Year festivities. As you can see, friends, in this Indian special news, which is COVID-19 and hunger special, Anna Rasoi has been working dedicatedly on ground, especially in the corona virus pandemic time since the lockdown. We have already served more than 5 million meals of happiness, and the ration distribution is going on to reach out to the poor and needy in the slum communities. And on this happy Lodi also, we are having distribution of Anmol biscuits and Anmol cake, and these, as you can see, these ration kits, which has everything, which has rice, pulse, atta, sugar, and all the daily essentials. Then we have distribution of soap and Colgate for the oral hygiene, for the hand hygiene. We are also having distribution of woolens, caps, and gloves, and the blankets for the underprivileged and needy. Our team is working on ground to make sure that people under extreme poverty, whether they are children or women or widows or neglected senior citizens, old age people, Divyangjan, and those who do not have anything, they don't have, they're living by the roadsides, or they're living at the mercy of the God. And believe me, if there is no one to take care of them, no one to feed them, they sleep hungry. ना तो उनके पास खाने को होता है, ना पहनने ओढ़ने को होता है, और हाइजीन की तो बात ही करना बहुत बहुत ही गलत होगा. So we are calling for corporate partnerships and donations and CSR collaborations, media barter, media collaborations, and all that to empower the poor and needy, especially the underprivileged children. Children are at the highest risk in the pandemic times, and hunger has become a greater pandemic. It is a bigger pandemic, and the vaccine for hunger pandemic is food. So खाना चाहिए बच्चों को, बुजुर्गों को, और इस ठंड से बचने के लिए उनको कुछ warmth. So our campaign gift warmth. So please come forward in large numbers. You can be a donor, you can be a sponsor, you can be a member, you can be a volunteer, you can be a corporate partner, you can be a program partner, you can be a food sponsor, you can be an education sponsor. Please support in whichever, whatever way. कुछ भी बड़ा या छोटा नहीं होता. Every penny counts and every grain counts. सोचिए जहाँ इतनी भूखमरी है, बच्चों के पास खाना नहीं है, और पढ़ाई की तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, दे poor children are not able to afford. So there is a big gap in the education in the coronavirus times. So we are also distributing stationery kits, notebooks, and other material, the school bags and books for these children. But alone we cannot do, because this is a mammoth task. There is a huge population to cater to. So we need your participation, we need your support. Please join hands. You can see the details on our website worldhopefoundation.org, and be a part of this champions of social change. Be a humanity hero, be a hunger hero, be a water champion, be a green India champion. Save water, save planet. We have a holistic approach to build sustainable, happy communities around the earth. Thank you.